We're here again at Bridger Kitchens, and we are going to show you how we make our ground salmon burgers. The salmon sliders have become really popular for our customers at the farmers market, and we generally sample them at the farmers market, and people really like this recipe. Now remember, I just made this recipe up so you can make up your own, add any changes, or get creative with it.
And these are our 1 pound bags that we sell at the farmers market for cooking.
The great thing about this product is it's just the pure meat. It's skinless, boneless, no additives, no binders. It's just pure ground sockeye meat. So we took the 1 pound package, and this could either make about 4 or 5 quarter pound burgers, or a lot of little mini sliders. So I'm going to take our ground salmon here and then add 1 egg, about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, just as a little moisture. You can definitely leave the mayonnaise out and sub a little bit of coconut oil or nothing. Again, all of these can be substituted. Then we have about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. That's jack cheese and a little bit of Parmesan. We have some green onion, panko, maybe about 1/2 cup of panko, but I saved some, so you can add a little more to it if you need less moisture. Mix these up. I like to just use my hands. Get the ingredients good in there.
These are good too because you can make them ahead of time and freeze them and pull them out whenever you're ready for them.
And we'll do a little bit of salt. We love to use the kosher salt because it's less dense and less salty. It's a nice, more mild salt flavor. Always a big squeeze of lime. Now the lime we like to put on at the end too, because if you add too much lime, it'll sugar and burn in the pan, and you lose it anyway. So you just keep, usually the limes as a garnish or a side. And then we love the red pepper flakes. We've also added ginger, garlic to the recipe sometimes, but this is kind of our basic. Okay, we have that good and mixed up in there. Mickey Mouse gloves. And then the real secret to this is the coconut oil. We love to have the coconut oil to be the kind of the subtle flavor that we cook these sliders in. So this is about the consistency you're looking for. I'm going to put a little more breadcrumb in there as a binder. This is just panko. Okay. Maybe a little more mayo. Okay. Thanks. Thanks, nurse. That's it. And then spoons. Alright, so for the sliders, you're just going to take kind of a cookie dough size scoop, pat it down, and put it in your coconut oil. Now these are great on their own, or if you have your favorite focaccia bun, we like to put them into lettuce wraps for those who don't do too much bread. So you just do this just like you would a turkey burger, a beef burger. Kind of do a little formation. Keep it on low heat because that coconut oil will start to smoke or burn quickly. That's good, just those two. Oops. Sorry. Just kind of check them here.
Squeeze the lime.
Not till the very end. Another thing you can do with this is just sprinkle it in. It'll cook up like a scrambled egg. You can use it in tacos, on tops of salads, meatballs. But these sliders are what seem to be pretty popular. You're going to do them till they're just golden brown. And like Alina said, it's great to make this up and you can form the patties, put them in Ziploc bags and freeze them. So when you're ready to take them out of the freezer, they're good to go for a dinner or a traveled meal. This helped us sell a lot of salmon at the markets when we would sample these.
You taste one, you buy one.
That's it, just about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. You're going to look for that golden brown color. And then when you have them just about finished, you want to put your lime on there. This burger is also just great on its own too. A lot of times we'll just take a lettuce wrap, a little patty like that, wrap it up, serve with a little more lime, and there you go. Improv.
It's okay, it's just on the plate.
Okay. And I could make some more of these. Can eat them.
I think I turned it off.
You-